In this video, we will discuss about the for loop and its use in C++ programming. For loop is used to execute a block of code multiple times. When we are aware of the number of times we need to execute the code in advance, it's preferred over while loop. When we know the number of iterations, as in while loop, the number of iterations are not known in advance. The syntax for loop is for open bracket, initialization semicolon, condition semicolon, update bracket close, and then statements to be executed inside curly braces. Initialization. In this section, the variable is initialized and executed for only one time. Example: int I equals 1. Condition. In this section, the condition check is done. If the condition is true, then the code block gets executed. Example: I less than or equal to 10. Update. In this section, the value of the variable is updated every time at the end of loop. Example: I equals 1 plus 1. We can see the same as part of flow chart where we have the initialization, condition, code, and the update sections. Let's see it through an example. I is initialized as 1. The condition is checked if I less than 10, which evaluates to be true. So it goes to the code section and prints the value of I, and then increments the value of I by 1 to pass through the loop again. This loop is executed for 9 times. At last the condition fails, as value of I becomes 10. And now it's not less than 10, so the program terminates. Let's try to test the for loop through a program. We have the basic code block here. In the for loop, in the initialization section, I is declared as int and assigned a value as 1. In the condition section, the condition is specified as I less than 10 means it will execute the loop until the value of I is less than 10, which means till the value 9. In the update section, I++, which is equivalent to I equals I plus 1, will increment the value of I by 1. The loop starts with value of I as 1 and gets printed. The value of I is increment by 1, which makes the value of I equals 2. The condition is checked if I less than 10 or 2 less than 10, which is true, and it comes inside the loop and prints the value again. This continues and the program prints the values from 1 till 9. After printing 9, the value of I changes to 10. The condition 10 less than 10 is evaluated as false, and it breaks the for loop and comes out of it.